Meet the Blue Indian Ringneck Parakeet, a stunning bird with brilliant blue feathers and a charming personality.
Did you know? These birds can mimic human speech and learn over 200 words. They are also fast flyers, gliding effortlessly with their long tail feathers. And here's something sweet. They are loyal mates for life. Once they find a partner, they stay together forever.
Smart, social, and beautiful. What's not to love? Would you want one as a pet? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.